Hello, I am Mellori Hope Carrington, and this is Space Mysteries Unveiled. Imagine a world where humans live on Mars. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Get ready to explore the exciting future of space colonization and what it means for humanity. Have you ever looked up at the night sky on a clear, dark night far away from city lights? And among the countless stars, have you ever spotted a tiny, reddish dot, distinct from the twinkling lights around it? That's Mars, a whole other planet, a world of its own, millions of miles away, beckoning us with its mysteries. It's a place that has captured our imaginations for centuries. Imagine humans living there, not just visiting for a brief mission, but making it their home, but building homes, constructing communities, and starting a new chapter for humanity, a new beginning on a different world. This dream, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is closer than ever, inching towards reality with every passing day. With scientists and engineers worldwide dedicating their lives and careers to this monumental task, working tirelessly to make it real. They are the architects of our interplanetary future. Picture waking up on Mars, a dusty pink sky painting the horizon, a unique and breathtaking sight, rusty red ground stretching out as far as the eye can see, a landscape sculpted by time and the harsh Martian elements, and landscapes of canyons that dwarf the Grand Canyon and volcanoes that are larger than any on Earth. Your neighbors could be people from all over the world, representing every nation and culture, united by a common goal: exploration, discovery, and the advancement of humanity. Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system, making it the most viable candidate for human colonization, with a similar day length and seasons. Though the climate is much colder and the atmosphere is far thinner. The discovery of evidence of water ice makes it incredibly promising, not only for the potential of finding life, but also for providing resources for future colonists to thrive. Living on Mars would undoubtedly challenge us in ways we can't even fully comprehend yet. But it's a challenge many are eager to take on, driven by the spirit of adventure and the desire to push the boundaries of human achievement. The very idea sparks wonder and ignites a sense of possibility within us, and makes us question what it truly means to be human, to explore, to adapt, and to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Could we build a self-sustaining city on another planet, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience? Could children grow up on Mars, looking up at Earth as a distant blue marble, a nostalgic reminder of their ancestral home? The journey to Mars is not just about reaching another planet. It's about expanding our horizons, both literally and figuratively, and securing a future for humanity among the stars, ensuring our survival and prosperity for generations to come. It's a grand adventure just beginning, a new chapter in the human story, filled with challenges, triumphs, and endless possibilities. And we can all be a part of it, even by simply dreaming, imagining, and supporting the incredible efforts of those who are leading the way. Before humans set foot on Mars, our robotic scouts lead the way. Rovers, landers, and orbiters packed with scientific instruments. These machines are our eyes and hands exploring Mars and sending back vital data. Rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity act as mobile labs drilling rocks and searching for signs of ancient life. Orbiters map the surface and help us find safe landing spots for future missions. Thanks to these robots, we know Mars once had rivers and lakes, and we've found organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Perseverance's helicopter, Ingenuity even achieved the first powered flight on another planet. These missions help us understand dangers like radiation and dust storms and identify resources like water ice. They test technologies for creating oxygen and recycling resources, crucial for human survival. Every robotic mission brings us closer to making humans on Mars a reality. Imagine stepping onto the red soil of Mars, a world both captivating and unforgiving. Living on Mars means building homes, not just shelters, but thriving environments in a harsh, cold environment. It's about creating a haven against the alien landscape. The challenges are immense, with thin air, offering little protection, and dangerous radiation constantly bombarding the surface. The atmosphere is a fraction of Earth's, and cosmic rays pose a significant threat to long-term health. To overcome these obstacles, scientists are designing innovative habitats. One promising approach involves using inflatable structures, which can be easily transported and expanded on site. These domes offer a flexible and relatively lightweight solution. Another exciting possibility is 3D printed buildings made from Martian soil, also known as regolith. This method utilizes the planet's own resources, reducing the need to transport heavy building materials from Earth. Imagine entire structures rising from the Martian dust. Covering habitats with regolith provides crucial protection against radiation and extreme temperature swings. This natural shield acts as insulation, maintaining a more stable and livable environment inside. It's like building an underground bunker, but above ground. Using local resources, like regolith and potentially water ice, means we don't have to bring everything from Earth, drastically reducing mission costs and logistical complexities. This in-situ resource utilization is key to establishing a self-sustaining presence on Mars. Life support systems are paramount. They must provide breathable air, clean water, and comfortable living conditions, mimicking Earth-like environments as closely as possible. Every aspect of these systems requires precise engineering. Nothing is left to chance. Redundancy and reliability are critical for survival in such a remote and unforgiving environment. Recycling systems like those on the International Space Station will be even more advanced on Mars, recovering every possible resource from waste. Closed-loop systems will minimize the need for resupply missions from Earth. Habitats need to support not just survival, but happiness and well-being. This includes spaces for exercise, scientific research, and growing food to supplement their diets. Astronauts' mental health is vital, so designs include windows offering views of the Martian landscape and good communication with Earth to combat isolation. Creating a home on Mars is a massive challenge, a complex puzzle demanding innovative solutions. But human ingenuity is up to the task, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. Every detail from airlocks, ensuring safe passage in and out of the habitat, to greenhouses, providing sustenance and a connection to life, is being carefully planned, analyzed, and tested. The goal: a safe, comfortable, and sustainable Martian home. A place where humans can not only survive, but thrive. The first Martian colony will be a testament to our creativity and determination, a beacon of human achievement on another world. Food is a huge challenge for Mars colonists. Shipping supplies from Earth is costly and impractical. Growing food on Mars means overcoming poor soil, weak sunlight, and limited resources. Scientists are testing hydroponics and aeroponics, growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water or mist. Greenhouses on Mars will carefully control light, temperature, and humidity. Experiments on the International Space Station show it's possible to grow lettuce and other crops in space. Researchers are also working to process Martian soil, removing toxins and adding nutrients. Hardy crops like potatoes and beans may thrive in Martian conditions. Algae and bacteria could provide protein and recycle waste, creating a closed-loop food system. Lab-grown meat is another possibility, reducing the need for livestock. The goal: a self-sufficient colony where most food is grown or produced locally. Early Martians will rely on a mix of Earth supplies and homegrown food. Every meal on Mars will be a triumph of science and adaptation. Traveling to Mars takes 6 to 9 months with today's rockets. A long, risky journey. Chemical rockets are powerful but inefficient for deep space travel. New ideas like nuclear thermal propulsion could cut travel time in half, using reactors to heat propellant for greater thrust. Solar electric propulsion uses ion engines powered by solar panels, providing gentle but long-lasting acceleration. Futuristic concepts like solar sails or even warp drives are being explored, though they're far from reality. For now, improving rocket efficiency and developing nuclear and electric propulsion are our best bets. Faster, safer travel will make Mars missions more practical and open the door to exploring further worlds. Innovation in space travel is key to humanity's future among the stars. Colonizing Mars. It's a monumental undertaking, a challenge that pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity and technological capability. Demands not only new technologies, but also creative solutions to problems we haven't even fully anticipated yet. We need to think outside the box, to innovate in ways we never have before. 3D printing could let us build on-demand habitats, providing shelter and a safe haven for our astronauts, tools, essential for exploration, repair, and construction, and even spare parts, ensuring mission continuity and reducing reliance on Earth-based resupply. All this using Martian soil, dramatically reducing what we need to bring from Earth and making the mission far more sustainable. NASA's Perseverance rover has already successfully produced oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, a feat once thought impossible. A huge step forward in our ability to live off the land on Mars. Reusable rockets like SpaceX's Starship are fundamentally changing the economics of space travel, making space travel more affordable and, crucially, more sustainable for the long haul. Advanced life support systems will recycle nearly all air and water, minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization, creating closed-loop environments that mimic Earth's ecosystems. Artificial intelligence will help operate complex systems, ensuring optimal performance and resource management, diagnose problems proactively, preventing potential crises before they even arise, and assist astronauts with their daily tasks, freeing them up to focus on exploration and scientific discovery. New materials, lighter, stronger, and most importantly, more radiation-resistant, are constantly being developed for habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment and spacecraft that can protect astronauts from cosmic radiation. Every aspect of a Mars mission, from spacesuits that allow for extended exploration to computers that can handle the complexities of interplanetary communication, is an opportunity for innovation, a chance to push the boundaries of what's possible. In situ resource utilization, using what's already on Mars, will be absolutely essential for long-term survival and the establishment of a permanent Martian presence. 3D printed food, customized to individual nutritional needs, and lab-grown meat, providing sustainable protein sources, could revolutionize how we eat in space, ensuring astronauts have access to nutritious and palatable meals. Constant innovation, a relentless pursuit of new ideas and better solutions, is what will ultimately turn the dream of Mars colonization into a tangible, thriving reality. The future on Mars, a future of human expansion and scientific discovery, will be built by inventors, engineers, scientists, and problem solvers from all corners of the globe, working together to overcome the challenges and unlock the potential of the Red Planet. Mars is just the beginning, our first step toward living beyond Earth. Once we master Mars, we could explore the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus, which may have hidden oceans. Robotic submarines might one day search for life beneath their icy shells. Building outposts on these worlds would be even tougher than Mars, but human curiosity is boundless. The asteroid belt offers resources for mining and space-based manufacturing, fueling further exploration. Some dream of spinning habitats inside hollowed-out asteroids. The ultimate goal: interstellar travel to exoplanets orbiting distant stars. The challenges are immense, but every step teaches us new skills and brings us closer. Mars is our training ground for the cosmos. The future of humanity could truly be among the stars. As we reach for other worlds, we must consider the ethics of exploration. If Mars harbors life, do we have the right to disturb it? Should we preserve some worlds as cosmic parks? Who gets to go to Mars, and how do we ensure fairness and inclusivity? What kind of society will we build? Will we repeat old mistakes or create something better? These questions are as important as the technical challenges. Our choices will shape not just our future, but the fate of other worlds. The conversation about space colonization belongs to everyone. The journey to Mars and beyond is one of humanity's greatest adventures. It's about courage, innovation, and our drive to explore the unknown. Looking back at Earth from Mars would change our perspective forever. Colonizing space isn't just about survival. It's about discovery and fulfilling our potential. The challenges are huge, but the rewards are even greater. New knowledge, new technologies, and new hope. Space exploration inspires us to be smarter, more creative, and more united. The dream of living among the stars speaks to our deepest curiosity and resilience. The next steps: support our explorers, develop new technologies, and keep dreaming big. The story of humanity in space is one we all help write. Let's reach for the stars together. If you found this space journey fascinating, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to join our growing community of space enthusiasts. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which scientific or space topic you would like me to explore next. Your feedback shapes our future content. Remember, this is your channel, and we will grow and learn together. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to stay updated on our weekly cosmic deep dives. Thanks for being part of our astronomical adventure. See you in our next exploration through space. Copyright 2025 Mellori Hope Carrington trademark, all rights reserved.